Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Facebook and going straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Once done, open Personal Information and select Contact Info. This is where email entries live. You need to confirm you control the account, so check that you can receive messages at the listed addresses. Make sure you have a secondary email or phone ready to add, because Facebook often won't let you remove the only verified contact. This prevents lockout and keeps two-step verification intact. You now handle the removal itself. Click the email entry in Contact Info and choose Remove or Edit depending on the interface. If Facebook forces you to keep a primary contact, add a new email or phone first and confirm it via the verification message. That step ensures the platform accepts the change. Once the new contact is verified, set it as primary. Then go back and delete the old address. This sequence prevents accidental loss of account recovery options. Finish by double-checking contact info to ensure the old email is gone, and testing the recovery flow briefly to confirm your new contact works. Then inspect login methods and security to remove any saved login emails or linked apps that still reference the old address. If something goes wrong, say the removal button is disabled. Clear your browser cache, try the desktop version of Facebook, or resend verification to the new contact and retry. These steps usually resolve temporary UI or verification glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.